Hey everybody, I just got my hair trimmed, and as you saw in my most recent article, hubby and I do date nights, and so I wanted to do like a really cute look. So I'm going to use the Supercurl and the Shining Star to create a really nice twist out. And so I've applied the Supercurl, and I'm going to just coat the rest of my hair with Shining Star, then use my detangling brush to make sure my hair is nice and smooth, and then I'll install medium to large size twists to create somewhat of a deep wave. And I'll complete this process for the remainder of my hair. And just as a reminder, you can find Uncle Funky's Daughter at select Target stores, as well as shop on unclefunkysdaughter.com, and you can use my discount code Sumetra to receive 15% off of your order. After installing my twists, I allowed them to air dry overnight, and so now I'm going to take a little bit of the Shining Star and massage that over my hair to add some additional shine, as well as alleviate any type of frizz. Then I'm going to carefully unravel each twist. And you've seen me use these products before, so you know this creates a really nice soft hold, so great definition without the crunch. And so after I have removed all of the twists, I'm going to go through and do some separation, and then I'll use my pick to lift at the roots. Check out the shine and definition, guys. I absolutely recommend these products if you're looking for something that's going to give you some definition without any of the hard hold or crunch to your hair. As I'm separating, one thing I like to do is just rub my hands from roots to ends, which helps to maintain the definition as well as continue to coat my hair with some of the Shining Star that's remaining on my hands. Now that I've done all of the separation, I am going to start to lift at the roots. And then after I do that, what I like to do is just add some shape to the front. So I'll take a couple of bobby pins and just to create kind of a bang effect. This is a really great hack if you want to create bangs without having to cut your hair. And you see it just kind of takes the style to the next level. Then I just continue to lift at the roots until I achieve the desired volume, and here are the final results. So after moving my hair forward and creating kind of this bang effect, I felt a little sassy and wanted to change it up a bit. So I moved my hair over to the side, creating somewhat of a side part, and continued lifting at the roots to give some extra volume and changing up the look just a bit. Now that my look is complete and I have the definition and volume, I am all ready for date night with hubby. So let me know which one you like the best. Do you like the hair coming all forward, or do you like the side part? Leave it in the comment section below. I'm really interested to hear your feedback. Well, guys, I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.